Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So I brought a couple of guns out today, try to sight some of them in. I got a couple of AKs, the AR-15, my 45-70, and a bunch of pistols. I got a target about 60 yards away. I just realized that the battery on my AR-10 scope somehow was left on and it's dead, but we're gonna take a couple of shots downrange and see what we can do. Now that I put this new furniture on, the Arms of America furniture I got on here. This AK does have the bolt hold open on here, which I love. So this is my first time shooting it since I put the new wood furniture on there. So we're gonna take a couple shots downrange and see how good these sights are on here. I've never adjusted them or done much with them, so here we go, guys. Let's get it going. Let's go take a look and see. I really love that Arms of America furniture. Now that I got that put on there, I think it makes the gun look a whole lot better. Well, I can already see it's not bad. I didn't get the bullseye, but we're there. That's just all. That's not too bad. Like I said, I haven't messed around with it since I put the new furniture on there, but it still would have been a kill shot regardless. But guys, that Arms of America wood furniture is amazing. I think I paid $114 for it, and man, it looks amazing on that gun. I absolutely love it. I also brought out the VSKA with me too, so we're gonna get that, see how that sights are on that one, and then we're gonna dump a mag with no dust cover on it. With no dust cover on it, but that's the Century Arms VSKA that I did my review on. Like I said, guys, I've never had no trunnion issues with my gun. Every once in a while, I'll get a jam from some cheap ammo, Wolf ammo, but other than that, it's like I said, I've never had no issues. This also has the bolt open hold on it here, which is this groove right here that allows you to put it up and easily swap out a mag, and it automatically chamber one for you as soon as you take this. All you gotta do is take the safety down. You don't have to re-rack. You don't have to do none of that. We're gonna take a couple shots with this and let's see how this was in. Let me get the sight on there. I'm gonna try a headshot on this one. Oh, the smell of fresh gunpowder. Oh my gosh. Let's go check this one out, guys. I don't know if I got a headshot on it. I've taken that optic off a few times, showing guys certain things on my gun. And as you can see, yeah, I didn't even come close. So I'm gonna try and get that sighted in and see what's going on. During my review, a couple guys were asking me how that mount was equipped on there, and like I said, it threw it out of whack. So I'm gonna see if I can't get it back correctly sighted in. Again, Century Arms VSKA. Let me try something else here. Let me try to get a little bit more stable here. Let's go see how that did. Oh my God, that smell of that beautiful gunpowder is amazing, guys. I get so excited every time I come up here. Nope, missed that one too. Looks like I gotta sight that in. So the other one seems to be pretty good on. A few little adjustments, and that AK was doing pretty good. We'll see if I can get it figured out. Let's go see how that did. I took a warm-up shot before I even turned on the camera, and I hit the target. I still think a couple spots on it are not lining up correctly. Like I said, I hit it here the first time. I still got the shakes a little bit too. It's been a minute. But regardless, it's a blast just to get out to the woods and shoot. The tranquility, peace and quiet. It's absolutely so quiet out here and beautiful. I love it. I wouldn't trade it for nothing. And I'm sure you guys can all agree. Let me go back to the other one here and try to see how good, get a couple of headshots if I can. Man, them old iron sights, man, they're always on. No matter what you do, them iron sights are amazing. I can already see it from here that I got the headshot on it. Yeah, that's just regular plain old iron sights, guys. With that new furniture. Nonetheless, they would all be kill shots, but I gotta be able to. I want better. I know I can shoot better. But like I said, I've taken that optic rail off that Century Arms VSKA several times while I was doing the review for it, so I'll have to get it sighted back in. But thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys again.